Good morning students, welcome to Bhanu's maths class. Today we are going to learn about the some standard trigonometric ratios, okay, and degrees. See, sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, cosecant A, secant A, these are the main parts of the trigonometry and these are the standard degrees of the trigonometry. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees are called the standard degrees of trigonometrical ratios. Okay, so these ratios we have to remember always. These are the very important. Total trigonometry is based on this table only. This is a very important. These degrees and these values. Okay, so sin A angle is 0 degrees. First remember that sin 0 is a 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 1. If you wake up in the middle of the night also, you have to remember these values. These are the very important values. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So always sin 60 1 by root 3 by 2, sin 90 1, like this. And cos A is, so total reciprocal of this. See, cos A is equal to sin, cos A 0 is a, so reverse 1 it is a, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So reversely it is coming the values of sin A and cos A. Total reciprocal of sin value is cos A. Here 1 it is ended, here started from 1 onwards. 1 root 3 by 2, same 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2, 0 it is ended. These are the values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. And here cos A 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root. If you remember the sin A values, automatically you can get the cos A values also. Next, tan A. Tan A 0 is 0. Tan 0 is a 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 is root 3. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 not defined. Tan 90 is not defined, or you can take infinity also. Okay, next. Total reciprocal of tan is cot. See, here ended with the not defined, here started with the not defined, and cos 0 is a value is infinity. Cos 30 value is root 3. Here, next value is here, root 3. Cos 30 is root 3. Cos 45, here tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is also 1. Always these values does not change anywhere. Tan 45 1, cot 45 1. Next, cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 3. Next, cot 90 is 0. Here it is cot tan 0 is a 0. Here ended with the 0. It started with the 0. Here ended with the 0. Cos 90 is 0. Next, cosecant. These are the new values again. Cosecant 0 is not defined. Cosecant 0 is not defined. Cot 0 also not defined. Cot and cosecant are not defined. 0 values. And next, cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. So, here 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. And total reciprocal of cosecant is a secant. So, see, here ended with the 1. Here started with cosecant 0, 1. Next, this 2 by root 3 is come. Next number, root 2 root is same. Next, cos 60 is 2. Cosecant 30 is 2, and here started with the not defined, here also ended with the, so total reciprocal of this sine, what are the values are there? The reverse of this cos A, and tan, what are the values? 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 not defined. Total reciprocal of this cot A. And next cosecant values are, remember this, so 2 root 2, 2 by. So in this table you have to remember these are 6 ratios are there, but you have to remember only 3 ratios: sin, tan, cosecant. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Next, tan is 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3 not defined. Cosecant is not defined, 2 root 3, 2 by root 3, 1. Like this, 3 ratios you have to remember. Then automatically you get reverse of these values, you can get easily. Okay. So, standard values we find 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Those are the standard degrees. But anywhere to find this type of angles also, this type of degrees also. So, using of that standard values, standard degrees, you have to find this type of degrees also. See, this you can write sine 45 minus 30. Yes, 45 minus 30 degrees is equal to 15 degrees only. So it is doesn't change. So using of sine a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Yes, sine a, okay, cos a sine b. Next, using of this formula, this equation, you can find this one. So sine, in the place of a we have 45, in the place of b we have 30. So using of this formula, sine a means 45 degrees. Next, cos b means in the place of b 30. Cos 30 minus cos, in the place of a we have 45 degrees, sine, in the place of b we have 30 degrees. Okay, so sine 45, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Yes, here root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. Sine 30 value is 1, using of the standard ratio, standard degrees. So here root 3 by 2 by root 2. So multiplying these two ratios, 1 into root 3 by root 2 into 2 root 2 minus, here 1 1 is a 1, 2 into root 2 root 2. Taking up the LCM is both 2 root 2, here root 3 minus 1. So what is the value of sine for 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is a very important, many exams it is asking sine 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.